Yesterday, I died, not physically, but everyone I know forgot I ever existed. My mother looked at me and said, "Who are you?" It started like any normal morning. I woke up late, my phone had no notifications. Strange, but not alarming. I walked into the kitchen. My mom was making coffee. "Morning," I said. She turned around, smiled politely. "Can I help you?" I laughed. "Very funny." Her smile faded. "Excuse me. How did you get inside?" My stomach dropped. I thought it was a prank. Until I checked my phone, no contacts, no photos, no messages. My social media, empty, no followers, no posts. My name wasn't even searchable. I rushed to my best friend's house. He opened the door. "Yes, it's me." Silence. "I think you have the wrong house." By noon, I understood. I wasn't erased from memory. I was erased from reality. My ID didn't scan. My bank account didn't exist. My university had no record of me. Even my bedroom was now a storage room, like I had never lived there. At 11:59 p.m. that night, my phone buzzed. One notification, unknown number. "You were warned." My hands trembled. I typed back, "Who are you?" The reply came instantly. "You chose this." Memories flooded my head. A week ago, I had found something strange online, a hidden website. It had one sentence. "Would you like to start over?" 2 buttons, yes, no. I remember laughing. I pressed yes. The phone buzzed again. "You wanted a new life. We gave you one." "What do you mean?" I typed no. "No past, no expectations, no mistakes. You're free." Free. This wasn't freedom, this was isolation. Another message appeared. "At midnight, the reset completes." I looked at the time, 11:59 p.m. "If I cancel," I typed, 3 dots appeared, stopped then. "You will remember why you wanted to disappear." And suddenly, I remembered the accident, the guilt, the fight with my father, the words I said to my sister before she left crying, the scholarship I lost, the shame. I didn't want a new life, I wanted escape. 11:59, 40 to 11:59, 45 to 11:59, 50. Another message. "You can stay erased. No pain, no pressure, no memory of who you were." Or, "Return and carry everything." 11:59, 57, I whispered. "I don't want to disappear." The screen glitched. 11:59, 59, I pressed cancel. 12. The world flickered. I woke up in my bed. Morning light. My phone full of notifications. My mom shouting from the kitchen, "Wake up!" I ran downstairs. She looked at me, annoyed. "Why are you staring at me like that?" I hugged her. She was confused, but she remembered me. That night, I checked my phone. The website was gone, everything normal, except one thing. In my photo gallery, there was a screenshot taken at 11:59 p.m. It showed 2 buttons, yes, no, and under it, a message I don't remember typing. "Next time, don't hesitate. If you could erase your past, would you? Or would you carry the pain that made you who you are? Comment, reset, or remember."